Hey guys, I wanted to go over something really quick with you guys. I feel like it's a controversial topic and let's just get to the root of it, okay? So, if you guys didn't already know, I'm a certified personal trainer as well as a nutrition specialist. And one thing that is often talked about is your body going into starvation mode. I'm sure you guys have heard about this before, right? So, let's go ahead and dive in. If you are the type of person that is consistently under eating, and I'm talking like 900 to 1,000 calories a day, you're in the gym for like 2 hours, completely overtraining, and then doing another workout on top of that, what is going to happen? You will lose weight. Like you'll see the scale go down. But what happens is that your body is going to break down your blood proteins, which means that your body is basically cannibalizing any muscle that you have. So the weight that you're losing is not fat. It's muscle. So the reason that this happens is because your body prioritizes fat over muscle. So it wants to keep any fat that you have in your body, and then it's just going to eat away at all of your muscle because it thinks that the fat is more important, right? So what you can do is obviously you can still eat in a calorie deficit, but you want to eat in a deficit that is fit for your body, fit for your goals. So you want to still prioritize your calories, carbs, proteins, fats, but you don't want it to be to an extreme to where you're underfueling your body and overtraining, right? Because again, we want to hold on to any muscle that we have. Hopefully this tip helps. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to hear next.